Hello my people, in this video we will see how to change your voice or messenger's calls. The first obviously the most important pass is you discharge messenger in your phone. And next you will open the app, right? And very important step, you will open the game turbo, right? And next you will touch this voice changer and permission required. Voice changer needs to be able to record audio to work normally. You will touch this button, allow, and next you have some voice changer options: original, girl, woman, cartoon, robot, man, anywhere. You click any, for example, a robot, and click here. And ready. That's all. If you liked the video, and especially if it helped you, please leave a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends, please. Until next time.